beautiful ladies, welcome back to the Golden Blush. My name is Tisha, and here we are, a group of girls who love to discuss makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty, everything and anything that under the sun is considered a girly stuff. We love to talk about it. And recently, as you must have seen in the thumbnail and the title, recently the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale has just passed. So how can I not buy something in that? Okay. But once again, like it has become so consistent with me that Nykaa just does not love me, I guess. Even though I'm their prime customer, but they just don't want to, make me happy. Because once again, out of my 5 parcels, only 3 have arrived until now. And I was waiting to make this video. I was just waiting that, all the parcels to arrive and but no, Nykaa does not want me to make this video on time. So still 2 of my parcels are not here. One of them is in transit and it has reached Indore like yesterday, but it is not coming to my place until today. And I'm shooting this video in the evening, so it has not come until today evening. And one of them is not even dispatched until now. So I've gotten a few of the products, like these products just arrive in 2 to 3 days. I don't know how, but let's go through these and then I'll make a part 2 probably. So this is going to be Nykaa Pink Summer Sale part 1 and then I'll make a part 2 because I've got a lot of products there also and I want to show it to you. And so let's just go through it. Alright, so this time I actually observed that the products, the Lux products had like really good offers at the average, like the low price products or the affordable ones, they did not have a very good offer range. Neither there were any freebies nor were there any like good discounts that which could attract me. So most of the products that I've gotten are like all the Lux products that I wanted to try from a long time, but I could not because of their price tag. But I've gotten it now. So I just held my hopes because the offers were very, very nice. And whatever other prices like the MRP and the sale prices, whatever I got, I'll just put it somewhere here so that we do not waste time in discussing the prices. Now let's go through the products one by one. Alright, so the first product that I got is this loofah set. This is actually a loofah set which I had gotten for myself. My loofah needed it to be changed, so I just got this set which I found really cute. So one is this stick kind of loofah which you can use for your back, and so it's sometimes harder to reach on the back. And one is this regular loofah. Now there are like discussions and debates about using a loofah, but okay, by the way, this is from the brand called Fab Skin Bath Essentials and it is their luxury bathing loofah, smooth lathering, deeply cleansing, gentle and soft on skin. So while choosing a loofah, I have to be very, very particular because I've got a very dry skin and very sensitive skin. Also, I get rashes very soon. So I needed a good loofah. So this feels very soft and nice, and it is dense also. It is not like very sparse kind of a thing which you can tear apart very frequently. And this stick one also I like, and the length is also quite good. So I'll use this thing. I've not bought this brand ever, so I'm not sure how is it going to be, how long does it last, because I'm very much used to the Body Shop loofahs and they're fantastic. But let's try this. This actually, both of these came in the price of one Body Shop loofah only, because I remember that is for around 250 300 rupees, but this I got under 200 rupees. So I can buy at least, so I can buy almost 2 sets in that one price. So if this works well, there's nothing like it. Another product that I got is from the brand called Bodywise. This is their 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on to control body odor and reduce pigmentation. So I have been using pit cream from the Plum from a very long time and I'm loving it. I've been using Nivea roll-ons also, so they are also very nice when it comes to odor and pigmentation. But I just wanted to try something else also, so that like, how will we know if something is better than what I'm using if we're not trying it? So that is why I just ordered this. Let me just get this out. Okay, so this is how the inner packaging looks like a normal roll-on deodorant, and I like the smell. It's it's not very, very known kind of a smell, but it is very amazing. I'm not able to understand, but it is very nice. So if it works on pigmentation, like I've got fairly pigmented underarms, so if it works on my pigmentation, I'll definitely let you know. But overall, the ingredient list is propylene glycol, butadiene, lots of chemicals. So not very um, chemical free, but it's in the variant called Flora. So I don't understand how is it Flora, but let's see. I'll try this and let you know my opinions on this if it has worked on my skin. Otherwise, Nivea and Plum have always been my favorites in the terms of roll-ons and deodorant. Next up is from the brand K Beauty, and this is their peach color corrector in the liquid variant. Okay, so there's the liquid color corrector enriched with marula and rosehip oil, and it covers uneven skin tones. So this is how it looks like, a standard K Beauty packaging thing, K engraved all over, and this is a peach color corrector. Like I have their stick form of color corrector, and that is also in the peach variant. You can see the consistency, it is very nice. This is how it looks. I like to use peach color correctors whenever like I'm in a mood of using color correctors. I want to layer it up, but the stick ones I feel like it is a bit too thick for blending because it just dries up very quickly. So I like to go for liquid based products in my routine. Whenever I'm using base products, I like to go for liquid based products, be it be foundation or concealer or color correctors, contours. I like to go for these kind of liquid products, so that's why I've gotten this, and I hope it also ends up being a good product like all other K Beauty products have been. This is like, I guess, my second or third product that no, my fourth product that I'm trying from K Beauty. So this is another. Next product is a restock from K Beauty, which is their brow pencil. So this is their K Beauty Brow Studio Wooden Brow Pencil, enriched with algae, and it is in the shade Walnut, which is my shade of eyebrow pencil which I'm using from K Beauty. And this is how the packaging looks like. It's very standard packaging and a very good brow pencil. It suits my eyebrows, like currently also I'm wearing the same, so it matches my brows very nicely. So all the Indian girls, like mostly we have dark brown eyebrows only. So you are someone who has dark brown eyebrows, you can surely try this. It is very good, very pigmented, and it does not feel very fake or very done up on the face. So you can surely try this, and it's very, very good brow pencil. And in the shade Walnut, they've got another shade also which is Hazelnut, which is a bit lighter than this. So according to your choice and preference, you can try, but this is a stocker for me, so you can understand that I love using this and I would love to have this again and again. The next product is a freebie from K Beauty, which is a lip crayon. So this is their matinee lip crayon enriched with chamomile and marula oil, and it's in the shade Fashionista. So this is a random shade which is given to me by Nykaa only. I did not have any choice in this. So this is how it looks like. I guess it's gonna be some sort of berry tone color. Let's try this. It's not very berry kind of, I think very nude berry. This is beautiful. This can be a very everyday kind of office wearing color if you like to have a good everyday nude pink color. It's lovely. Now last time also I got an eyeshadow stick as a freebie from K Beauty, and that time I loved that eyeshadow. It was in the shade Moonlight. Once again, I did not have any choice in that, but I ended up loving it, and same with this. Actually, I guess the color scheme for all K Beauty products is amazing, and it's just super, like, meant for people like who go to work or who like very nude and subtle makeup, not too loud, too colorful, all those kind of things. So this is the K Beauty lip crayon which I'm in love with. It is in the shade Fashionista. Next product is again a stock up because it is a beautiful product. Anyone who is suffering from any sort of skin issues like pigmentation, acne, imperfections in skin must give this a try, which is the COSRX Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. My skin, ever since I'm using this, I'm almost like more than halfway through the bottle which I'm using right now, and it is a beautiful product. Everyone who is like facing any sort of skin issues must give this a try. It is a beautiful product. It comes like in this glass bottle kind of thing, and there was a huge discount on this. I clearly remember around 20% off was there, and this is the product that you get. So it is amazing. And you know let me just get it. Okay. So it is kind of a serum, but it is very moisturizing serum. Okay, so if you have oily skin or normal skin or combination skin, you can totally skip moisturizer after using this. I have a dry skin, so I have to layer up a moisturizer. But if you have an oily skin or a normal skin, you can surely skip using moisturizer after using this. It is so amazing and so moisturizing, and you will start feeling a difference on your skin in terms of pigmentation, in terms of imperfections. It is just beautiful. Your skin will break out very less often, and you start loving it. So this is another stock up which I have got, which is from the brand called COSRX. Now the last four products are the ones which I like been eyeing on from a very long time, but looking at the price tag, I used to skip over those because I just didn't feel like buying those products at the price tag which they were coming at, because those was like all those were like first time trials, and I was very skeptical like if I should buy it or should not buy it. What if I don't end up liking it? But this time it was a very good discount going on Lux products, so I just got those products. Firstly, I want to say Huda Beauty had got like very good discounts, like 50% off on all their best sellers, and I just ended up buying two of Huda Beauty products in this sale. One of which is their Silk Balm in the variant IC. So this is a plumbing balm which I have tried also already. So because I could not stop myself ever since this has come, I have tried this, and I'll just love it. So the claims it says is that 100% people were surprised by the icy sensation on lips. Over time, plump, smoother lips. Okay, so it is an injection-free lip enhancer, cryo plum complex for instant freshness and plum feel. So what it does is that it is a plumbing balm. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It is kind of a lip balm which you apply on your lips, and it starts giving a tingling sensation, and it just plums your lips after some time. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to get like full plum effect. But the fact is that, as I told you, that I've already tried this in the past few days. What happens is I applied this around like 6 o'clock in the morning when I set for my work. At 6 o'clock in the morning I applied it, and when I get up from my work at around 2:30, 2 o'clock, it still is there. I did not need to reapply any lip balm. I did not feel any dryness on my lips or any stickiness on my lips or any sort of stretching, anything. It is just perfect. Your lips will feel just perfect with this. And it has gotten another variant also, which is, I guess, spicy, but this one is icy, so you'll feel like very cool sensation. It will feel like you put ice on your face. But it is beautiful, and you must try this. Got this at a 50% off, and it hardly like costed me 900 rupees after that discount. So it is good because you don't need reapplication, so the price gets justified. One lip balm, if I have to apply like 2 or 3 times in a day, more than that. If I'm at work, you know, working under air conditioners, I think my lips get dry very fast. I need to reapply lip balm like 3 to 4 times in a day, but this I do not need to reapply. So it kind of covers the cost that way. So this is my first Huda Beauty purchase. My next purchase is also from Huda Beauty, and which is their Love Fest eyeshadow palette. I was just eyeing on this, and this also had a 50% discount. This is the Love Fest Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and look at how beautiful this palette is. It's just amazing, and the reason I got this, like the bigger ones also had a discount going on. That too was also 50%. But the problem is that I needed a palette for my travels, which is small, compact, and also it covers most of my requirements. Like I have the Morphe palette, which is like sufficient to make any eye makeup look which you need, but that is very big, very bulky, not at all suitable for travels. Then I have all those small palettes from NY Bay, Half and Half, or I've got Inside Beauty. The small palettes are also there with me, but I just don't feel like they're very pigmented that I can trust on them. Sometimes they're just pigment. Either there's no pigment or this pigment is very, very bright, so I don't feel like using them most of the time. I just keep them aside. So I needed a palette for travels, and for that reason only I've gotten this palette. Let me just swatch a few colors for you so that you can understand how beautiful this is. Because I've taken like 4 colors here, I'll just swatch them here. See the pigment. Isn't it beautiful? And just swatch this color for you. Okay, only my thumb is left. See, well, this is such a mystery color. You do not know what is gonna come out. Like you can even get this purple or this pink around. It's just funny, and you can see the pigment of these colors. So it is a beautiful palette, and I just needed a small palette for travel purposes, and I have it now. And my sister is using another variant of this. I don't remember the variant. I guess there's some rose gold, rose pink kind of a variant which she's using. But that is also amazing, and this is also very good for creating nude looks. And it has got even some purple glitter, some orange, some brown. So very much doable on travels. Next product is a skincare product which I had been eyeing on from a very long time, and this also was at a good 20% off, so I just got this, and I've gotten a small bottle which is from Clinique. So this is their Moisture Surge 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Now this is a moisturizer which is specifically meant for dry skin people, and this is what the bottle looks like. This is a 30-gram packaging, which is their second smallest packaging. They've got a mini variant also, and there are 3 more bigger variants also. So I've gotten this 30-gram packaging, and let me show you the consistency. This is what it looks like. I've not tried it as yet, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers rave about it. They've finished bottles and bottles of this. So I was also very keen to try this. And the best part is that it claims that it stays for 100 hours even after you wash your face. It will stay. It will keep your face soft and moisturized and plump even after washing your face. So if that is the claim, I'm very keen to try this, and I'll also let you know my personal opinions, whatever are there, because I cannot rely on anybody else's. There have been brands which are influencers have raved about, so much hype has been created all throughout. But when I tried those myself, I just did not like them personally. And since my videos are non-sponsored, I give my honest reviews. If I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I do not have any obligation to any brand until now. So whatever is there, I'll try it on my own and let you know my opinions about it, if I like it and if I don't like it. So Clinique as a brand is it just does not need any introduction, but overall let me try it and let you know whatever are my feelings for it. Last product is everybody's favorite, whoever loves a gold rosy blush loves this product, which is the Penitent from Benefit Cosmetics. It's rose tinted lip and cheek stain, and it's from the thing. It is long wear, non-drying, smudge proof, transfer proof. These are all the claims that it makes, and you know how the bottle looks like this, it's like blood contained. Now, since I'm not wearing any blush, let's try it. Let's have our first impressions. on camera. Very watery. I just think that need to blend it very quickly. Maybe I applied way too less. Wow, I love it. It's like just perfect amount of blush that you need. Maybe I needed to build up, like for the first time I did not put sufficient quantity, but and it smells like roses, to be honest. Okay, so this. Super impressed, guys. I mean, I just do not regret buying this. I do not regret spending money on this thing. And look at the pigment. It's on my finger. Just by blending it, this is the pigment that I have on my finger right now. And I love this product. Like, it is something which even on my no makeup days, like if I just do my brows, apply some kajal and just apply this, I can be done. I'm loving this already, and this is surely gonna be my go-to blush. Just the only problem that I feel is the glass packaging, so I need to be like careful while traveling with this. But I would love to travel with this all the time. I loved. I think I just can see the pigment. It is just perfect. Not too much, not too less. It is just perfect pigment that you want from a blush. So yeah, not too red, just perfect amount of pink that you want. That was all about it. Let me know how did you like my Nykaa haul part 1. This is just part 1. Part 2 is going to be there. Like, I have a few products that are arriving which are still in transit, so I don't know when they're going to arrive, so I'll just meet you at that time whenever it arrives. But if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what did you buy from this recent Nykaa sale, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe as well. Alright, so this is all from my side this time. Until we meet the next time, it's a goodbye from the Golden Blush. Love you all so much.